In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the trunk lid support on your BMW 550i. This will be located in the trunk compartment on the right side. Let's get started. Remove the bottom lid and carpet from the trunk. Twist the clip to the unlock position and remove it. There should be one more right here. Ours is missing. We're going to push in on the trunk liner and pull the panel out. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to push the clip off. Pull the spring off of the trunk lid. Once you do this, it's going to just free float. So you want to watch your head. This trunk lid can easily come down now. It will just fall on its own. We're going to put a hood prop up to it so it doesn't move on us. We're going to work the spring off of the trunk hold. All right. So our plastic broke when we were taking this off. Be careful, the spring can pinch your fingers. Install the new spring onto the rod. Install it onto the stud. Install the clip. Install the trunk liner. Install the clip. Turn it so it's locked. Install the floor piece, install the carpet.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.